Whew. Gotta do something about that. So it's only 72 degrees and I can already feel the heat. The sun's right above me. It is almost noon and we're gonna change that today. I'm heading to Sun Stoppers. We're gonna get the windshield tinted and these side windows tinted with some ceramic XPEL tint. Really stop 98% of the heat coming in here, or the UV rays, which equates to heat, and make this a lot better. So the rear ones are already tinted 20%. No one's really back there, so I'm not going to tint those. I'm in Cornelius, North Carolina, so this is where my daughter actually works. They do amazing work here, and you can see there's another Tesla right there. That's where you take your Teslas to get window tint done. So they're finishing everything up and they're cleaning up the windows. But if you need window tint, I suggest this place in Cornelius. This is the Lake Norman store. Of course, I'm kind of partial to this because my daughter works here and they accept tips. But they also have a detail place. Ceramic details. They can wash your car for you. He can come to your house, whatever. Great people. Alex does a great job. Come to Sun Stoppers, get your window tint. If you're getting a brand new car, you're getting a brand new Model S, or most people are getting Model Ys and Model 3s, you gotta protect your skin inside the car. That's what it does. Like I said, they do awesome work here and make your car look a little different than everybody's, but you want to protect your skin from all the UV rays. And this ceramic film from XPEL blocks 98% of the UV rays coming in. It works perfectly, and you really don't need sunglasses anymore. And with tint, people don't see you as much in the car. It's kind of a safety thing if you don't want to be noticed. So again, the windshield is 70% tint, which 70% doesn't mean it's not very dark. This is 30%, and then this is factory 20%. So when you're in the car, I mean, you can tell the difference right here. It's going to make a huge difference in driving. Now, when you first get your windows tinted, it's going to look a little weird because there's still water in there. It'll dry over time. Give it a couple days, park it in the sun, and everything will be good. But now the sun is directly up there, the opposite side, and man, I don't even need sunglasses. So I trust Sun Stoppers with my car. They've done all my Teslas. They have over 80 stores across the country, so I'm sure there's one by you. There's a link down below, you can check them out, but they do great work. They use XPEL window tint and PPF, so if you're looking for PPF on your car, definitely hit up Sun Stoppers. They know what they're doing. They've been dealing with Teslas for a long time, and they're the best in the business. One of the other benefits is it quiets the car down even more because you're putting the film on the windshield that's getting hit by the wind. We just passed a truck that was probably pretty loud. It was a big dump truck. It's quieted down. Everything's a little muted, which is even better because these things are quiet no matter what, but you make them even quieter with some window tint. It's well worth it.